Presentation 10/10. Baked beans, perfection. We have some salad, yum. This is a breakfast recipe, absolutely worth trying. I'm going to give myself a very big bite. This recipe is absolutely worth trying if you're looking forward to enjoy a different breakfast recipe. You're going to purchase a good can of quality baked beans, and this is around a cup. Also, you're going to prep up some cucumber, onions, carrots, red capsicum. We have some Smokies, which you can substitute with sausages, bread, some lettuce, cucumber, red capsicum, and carrot for making a very simple salad. So we are going to start off by toasting our bread, because the recipe is going to be a one-pan recipe. So no mess. For the bread, you can either use white or brown bread, and I'm going to be using 2 slices of bread for the recipe. And of course, you can triple, double all the ingredients and make some more delicious breakfast for your family. We're going to toast your bread for around 30 seconds to a minute. Flip and let the other side toast. And also you can spread some margarine or butter on the bread so that you can get that perfect golden brown color. But for me today, I'm simply going to be toasting my bread with no butter or margarine. I'm going to place my veggies for my salad aside. For 30 seconds, I'm going to flip. You don't want that dark color on your bread. And as the bread is toasting, I'm going to very quickly make a very nice pattern on my Smokies by running a knife through my Smokies a little bit to add a very gorgeous slit. Transfer to a plate. Then I'm going to pick a paper towel. This is the best part about using a non-stick pan. You can just wipe and reuse the pan to make something else. So I'll add in around a tablespoon of cooking oil for frying my Smokies. Bring the flames to low. And as the oil is heating up, I'm going to finish off slicing my Smokies. Carefully transfer in the pan. You can see how gorgeous the slits are looking after frying for around 10 seconds. So it's going to make the plate look absolutely amazing. Smokies take very little time to cook because they are ready to eat. So I'm going to cook for around a minute on all sides. Also make sure to cook your Smokies over low flame so that they can slowly reheat up and get that perfect color. I'm already salivating. And because I've already prepped up the rest of the ingredients, it's going to be very fast. Once ready, you're going to transfer to a plate. And then I'm going to add in 1 medium diced onion in the same pan. Saute your onions for around a minute until soft. Baked beans are very delicious and they save up a lot of time because they are already cooked. I usually cook with baked beans whenever I feel that I want to cook a very fast recipe, which is going to take no time, and in a matter of minutes I'll be done. So because they are already cooked, I'm going to be adding in a little bit of twist to the baked beans by throwing in some veggies and 1 spice, which is going to make the baked beans super delicious. So you're going to add in your prepped up zucchini, red capsicum, carrots. Season with a touch of black pepper and salt. You don't want to add in too much salt because the baked beans are already seasoned. Cook your vegetables until they are softened up. Meanwhile, I'm going to be prepping up my salad. So you'll need some lettuce. We have cucumber, red capsicum, and carrots, together with a few other ingredients. For the recipe, you don't want to brown your onions too much because they're not going to be looking very good once the baked beans are ready. So just cook for around a minute, and when you notice they're getting that slight brown color, add in the veggies. Carrot takes a while to cook, so you're going to cut into small pieces so that you can cook together with the zucchini and red capsicum. You want the vegetables to have crunch once you bite into the baked beans. So because they're ready, I'm going to add in my baked beans. Stir in. Just look how perfectly the sauce is blending with the vegetables. So I'm going to cook for around a minute because the baked beans are ready to eat. Pick a knife. I'm using low flame, so don't add in high flames because the beans are going to burn. So now I'm going to pick my lettuce, cut in half. Then I'm going to roughly chop up my lettuce and transfer to a bowl. Once I'm done, I'm going to chop up my cucumber. I'm going to cut my cucumber in half and thinly slice. You're going to peel your carrots, then you're going to make ribbons just like this. Transfer the cucumber and carrot into the bowl. Slice up half a red capsicum. I'm going to chop off the ends, remove the membrane, and thinly slice your red capsicum. Take my bowl and transfer in. After a minute, this is how your baked beans are going to be looking. So you're going to check the seasoning. If it's not perfect, you're going to throw in a little bit of salt. So now I'm going to put out the flames and back to my salad. I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, add in some salt for seasoning, and a touch of black pepper, which is going to make the salad very delicious. Nowadays, I'm having so much fun when it comes to salad because lately I've been enjoying trying out different salad recipes. So if you're interested to check out some recipes, you can check up here or in the description box down below. I'm going to pick my plate, which is already looking so good. Pick a salad spoon and mix up. The salt is going to drain water from the veggies and they're going to get pliable. And the black pepper is going to add in a very nice taste to the salad together with the olive oil. So now I'm going to check the seasoning. You can throw in a little bit of salt to your own preference. Mine is just perfect. Not over seasoned, just perfect. Take my plate, add in my baked beans and my salad. Cooking breakfast is supposed to take around 15 to 20 minutes at most because you're rushing off to work or you're preparing your kids to go to school. In this recipe, I'll be showing you a very delicious, flavorful baked beans recipe, which is very nutritious. It's loaded with lots of protein. Yeah. And also to accompany my baked beans, I'm going to be adding in some more protein, that is Smokies, which you can substitute with sausages. We have toasted bread and salad, which I've been enjoying so much lately. So grab the ingredients and try out this recipe.